how to review connected history on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to review connected history on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it and go down, click settings, and here you will find this one here, activity log, and now click profile this one, connections, and here you will find connected. And as you see here, you can review connected history on Facebook Lite, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.